How to make always on display show only when you get new messages or notifications on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we then scroll down and tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, we then go down and tap on always on display. Then swipe down and tap on when to show. Next, from the list here, make sure you select for new notifications so that when you lock your phone, the always on display will not turn on, but when you see it turns on, that means you have new notifications. So it's a good way to be able to get notified so that when you quickly glance at your phone, if it turns on, you know you have new messages. But if you don't have any new notifications, then it's best you have the display turned off to save battery power. And here you can see when I have new messages, it will turn on always on display. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.